Hi, and welcome to Buena Vida Route. In this video, you will be joining us as we go to Ventura County, Taylor Ranch Beach, to get together with a bunch of other van lifers for a group put together by Sekr, the app, S-E-K-R. For those of you that live this nomadic life, it's a great app to have. We get there late on a Friday night, but unfortunately we did not take any footage of that. So you will start the video by seeing me making my famous arepa breakfast with fresh cheese, avocado, and sausage. And our friend Brian, Vermont, from Wet Dog the Bus, was the one making the scrambled eggs.
Friend Brian is coming to La Chata. Say hi.
All right.
Okay,
so
somebody
crack
crack the
these
eggs
into
awesome.
here.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. You'll just sit down.
Yeah.
Actually stand up in here. I'm like,
It was certainly a cloudy day in Ventura County, so by the afternoon, in order to warm up, we brought out some drinks and I made some charcuterie boards. In the video, you will be able to see our lovely friends from the Bacon's Rebellion, Erin and Joe, as well as some other couples that we've became good friends with.
It's not for me to say you love.
You'll be able to tell that people come in all sorts of mobile homes, modern vans and vintage vans, but of course Andres is a fan of all combis, so in the video you'll be able to appreciate a few of his favorite sightings. The best thing about nomads and van lifers getting together is the fact that most of us have dogs. So when we get together in a place like this that we can let our dogs loose, it is always a treat. So you will see how many of the dogs got together and how our Cremini and Enoki got super filthy from running around with other dogs. Then immediately we jump into a short interview that we had with a lovely lady that we met on this get-together. Hear all about it from her own words.
Mucho gusto, María, y una belleza conocerla aquí en nuestro café y tu casa, La Chatica. Ella es fotógrafa. A ver, cuéntanos un poquito de tu historia.
Bueno, yo soy fotógrafa basada en el área de la bahía, en San Francisco. He sido fotógrafo por 25 años y me especializo en tomar fotografía para mujeres que tienen negocios, para ayudarlas.
Qué bonito. ¿Y por qué decidiste hacer esto?
Bueno, parte es una terapia para mí, el haber dejado mi país cuando estaba pequeña sin nada y sin fotografías. Entonces no me acuerdo cómo yo era de niña. Y tú piensas que tal vez tu memoria es la que te hace recordar tu niñez, pero son las fotografías las que te ayudan a tener esa memoria. Entonces me volví obsesiva en la fotografía para capturar todos los momentos y se volvió mi profesión.
¿Y a dónde te pueden seguir?
En mariacalderon.art.
Wow, sinceramente una belleza, una inspiración, y ella está aquí con los vanlifers. Somos el único.
En Buenaventura.
Buenaventura. Pero sí, ha sido un placer, y ella vino por acá a tomarnos unas fotitos de las veas. Pero
Porque está queriendo ser embajadora de Sekr.
ajá. Sí, ¿y qué es Sekr? A ver, cuéntanos un poquito de Sekr.
Sekr es una compañía que tiene un app que puedes encontrar otros vanlifers y tener un network, y también encontrar lugares donde parquearte, donde quedarte, y también promociona eventos como como Buenaventura.
Wow.
Entonces es un buen recurso para la gente que vive en vans.
Exacto. ¿Y hace cuánto estás viviendo en una van?
La construí por todo el año 2021 y este año por primera vez estoy viviendo desde enero.
O sea que lo haces tiempo completo.
Tiempo completo, sí.
Oh, qué lindo.
Sí.
Bueno, María, un placer conocerte.
Un placer.
The next morning, Andres ventured out and filmed some of the beach and its surroundings. You'll be able to see some of the pretty flowers and the salvage wood that the ocean throws out that was made into a sculpture.
Okay, so today, after our awesome weekend with Sekr in Buenavantura, we came to Carpinteria and we are here at an apiary. Andres is going to do a flight of beers, but I don't drink beer, so I'm here for either the cider or the mead. So we're going to go check out what flavors they have today because they usually have some seasonal flavors.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and make any comments or questions that you may have. We're always happy to exchange stickers, so if you have some stickers and you're a nomad, feel free to DM us on Instagram or TikTok. Thank you for joining.